So I've been testing two of the most talked about 27-inch mini LED gaming monitors right now, the Xiaomi G Pro 27i and the KTC M27T6. And honestly, the differences are more interesting than I expected. Starting with the Xiaomi. This one uses an IPS panel with 1152 mini LED zones, and right away, you notice how clean and sharp the motion is. At 180 Hz, fast-paced games feel super smooth, and ghosting is basically non-existent. The colours also pop more than a typical budget IPS thanks to the quantum dot layer. But here's the catch: blacks. While local dimming helps a lot, you still get a bit of IPS glow, so dark scenes don't hit that wow contrast level. Now the KTC M27T6 goes the other direction. It uses a VA panel and, yeah, the contrast is insane. In dark scenes, it almost looks OLED-like at times. Movies and single-player games really benefit from that deeper black level. But VA comes with a trade-off: slight black smearing in fast motion, especially in darker areas. So which is better? If you want competitive gaming and clean motion, go Xiaomi. If you want cinematic contrast and immersive visuals, KTC wins. Honestly, it comes down to what kind of gamer you are.